Hey guys, it's Levi from Great American RV. Now that tankless hot water heaters have become more common in the RV industry, I figured I'd give you an overview of them. This is one of the topics I get the most questions on, so I'm going to go into some detail here in this video. I will cover the three main reasons. One, how they work. Two, how they are better than a traditional tank hot water heater. And three, how efficient they are. So let's get started. A tankless hot water heater is different from a traditional hot water heater. Instead of storing hot water in a tank, it only heats the water when you turn on the tap. So when you start running the water, cold water flows through the unit and passes over a heat exchanger. The heat exchanger is a set of coils that use gas to rapidly heat the water as it flows through. The system is only activated once cold water hits the exchanger, so there's no wasted energy. One of the smart features of a tankless hot water heater is that it can adjust its heating power based on how much water you use. So if you're running a faucet, it won't use as much power as if you were running a shower or multiple taps at the same time. This ability to adjust the heating output means it can handle different flow rates. So whether you need a little hot water or a lot, the system senses the flow and automatically adapts to provide consistent hot water without overworking it or wasting energy. It's then instantly heated and sent to your faucet or shower. This means you get hot water on demand and you don't have to wait for a tank to refill. Now let's talk about how well they work. A standard 20-pound propane tank holds about 4.7 gallons of propane. So using a tankless hot water heater with a standard rating of 30,000 BTUs per hour, a 20-pound propane tank would provide about 14 hours of continuous running hot water. That's a lot of showers from a single small tank. In addition, there are some other key benefits. Energy savings. Unlike traditional water tanks, they're constantly heating the water and reheating it. A tankless system only heats the water when you need it. Imagine you have a 6 or 10 gallon hot water tank, and throughout the night, it's constantly heating the water up, waiting for it to get cold, and then heating up again. And it does this for literally no reason because no one's using it. Now, of course, you could turn it off at night, but then you wake up in the morning or in the middle of the night to use the restroom, and you can't wash your hands, and we don't recommend that. You also get consistent hot water. A tankless system provides a continuous flow of hot water as long as there is water and propane. So this hot water is better for campers who need longer showers or back-to-back uses without waiting for a tank to reheat. Imagine two people take two separate 15-minute showers, followed by doing the dishes, and then going outside and washing the dogs. With a regular tank heater, this is an all-day affair while you wait for the tank to continuously heat up once the water runs out. But with a tankless hot water heater, you can do all these back-to-back and then some. You also have to factor weight. Tankless hot water heaters are compact and often weigh less than traditional tanks. So when it comes to camping, we all know every pound counts. You have temperature control. So with the precise controls, you can set the desired temperature, which helps reduce the likelihood of wasting energy by overheating the water. This also allows campers to maintain a steady, comfortable temperature, reducing both water and energy use. Also, you have the environmental impact. By using less fuel, over time, tankless systems have a smaller carbon footprint. This can appeal to environmentally conscious campers looking to minimize their impact while they're traveling. So in closing, a tankless hot water heater is certainly superior to a tanked hot water heater when it comes to your camping enjoyment. Now, can you make do with an old style one? Absolutely. They did it for years. But better is out there. So if you fall in love with a camper that has a tankless hot water heater, that's a real bonus. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.